Why, hello there. Today is your very first episode of Aiden Teaches Art. Episode 1, Colors. There are a lot of colors that artists can use. Yellows, whites, reds, and pinks. What amazing colors these are! The world is a great big canvas with amazing and beautiful colors. If you look at nature, you will be astounded. In one color, there are sometimes at least 3 different shades. Hey you, come over here, come here. Do you see how amazing this white is? Look how bright the white is on this flower. Now I want you to pause the video right now and take a look in your backyard and see what amazing colors there are. Feelings are also colored. Depending on how you feel will depend on what color you are. This concludes episode 1. Today's lesson was colors, and we learned that colors is in everything that you see. So make sure that if you see anything, make sure to say, oh, that has a color in it.